Today I'm going to show you how to create and add snow into your photos using Adobe Photoshop. First go to Select, and Color Range. From the drop-down, select the sampled colors. Then decrease the fuzziness. Make sure Invert is unchecked. Now choose the first eyedropper right over there. Then click on one of these green areas just once. Then click on the plus eyedropper. And keep on adding different areas of green. Under the selection preview, choose the grayscale. I'll increase the fuzziness to 110. Then click OK. Click on the group icon. Then create a layer mask. Double-click on this, and rename it Snow. Click on the adjustment layer, and create a hue and saturation. Then decrease the saturation all the way to -100. Let's increase the lightness. Once you're satisfied close properties, click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the black slider of the underlying layer. Then click OK. Click on the adjustment layer, and create a solid color. In the color picker, choose white. Go back to FX icon and blending options. This time, again, hold the Alt key to split the black slider. Click OK once you're satisfied. Open your brush tool from the toolbar, and with a soft round brush, and the brush opacity is 100%, and the flow is 100%. Select the mask. Make sure foreground color is black. And just paint on the model just like that. Be careful, don't paint on the outside. Now create a new layer. Double-click on this, and rename it Snowfall. Then drag it and drop above group layer. Go to Edit, and open the Fill window. From the drop-down, select the black. Then click OK. Right-click and convert it to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Noise, and add noise. I'll increase the amount to 100%. The distribution is Gaussian, and make sure monochromatic is checked. Then click OK. Go back to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. I'll make the radius is 10 pixel. Go to Image, Adjustments, and Threshold. I'll decrease the threshold level to 88. Then click OK. Change the blend mode of this layer from normal to screen. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. I'll decrease the radius to 8 pixel. Then click OK. Click on the Mask button. Select your brush tool. I'll decrease the flow to 50%. Make sure foreground color is black. And paint with black to erase the extras. And that's it. Thanks for watching.